Okay, how to install an HTML email signature in the HubSpot CRM. So if you have an HTML file, if you're one of my clients, you would want to, instead of double clicking it to open it up in a browser, you want to right click on it and open it with Notepad. And this will give you access to all of the HTML code. And once open in Notepad, you would Control A to select all, Control C to copy it to your clipboard. Then you can close this and head over to HubSpot and go up in the upper right to your account, profile, whatever. Click on that. Click on Profile and Preferences. Go to Email. And then scroll down until you get to Edit Email Signature. And in this window, you want to make sure to click on HTML, highlight this, and I think Control A would highlight that as well. Backspace or delete to get rid of it. Control V as in Victor to paste it. Click on Save, and you're done. And then let's head over into the CRM and send a test email. See how it works. Email, and as you can see, it's showing up just fine. And let's send away. And it gets there pretty quickly, at least it does in my experience. Give it a second here, and there it is. That's pretty much it. How to install an HTML email signature in the HubSpot CRM. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.